November the 11th. Wait, November. January the 11th. What the heck? And it's about 11:40 in the morning. And it's windy. Oh, did you hear that? It's windy. And I guess they're still doing fireworks over there. My neighbors love fireworks. And yeah, we still got snow. It didn't all go away. Amazing. Can you hear that? My neighbors love firecrackers. There's our fire pit. Got snow in it. We got a rose. Is that a winter rose? Possibly. But we still got snow, and I'm pretty happy, and I'm gonna try to get Bentley out here. I don't think he's feeling good because he's wearing his cone. You know, it's got that one stitch. I'm hoping he's gonna get better so I can take him out in the snow. But he just wouldn't have any of it. It's okay. Not everybody likes the snow. Especially if you're not feeling well. But hopefully he's okay. I mean, he was out by those trees first. Snow